so far from saving me, so far from the words of my groaning. By night and by day I cry out in pain, so why do you not answer? Yet you are enthroned as the Holy One, you are fathers trusted. They cried out to you and were saved. They were never disappointed. I am a worm and no longer a man. Lama sabachthani. They have pierced my feet and hands. Lama sabachthani. I looked for comforters but found none. Oh, how could you forsake me? Oh, my strength, come quickly, come. Come now, oh Lord, and save me. For you would never despise or disdain the suffering of the afflicted. In the congregation I will proclaim that from the grave you lifted me. In the miry depths I sink, Lama sabachthani. They gave me vinegar to drink, Lama sabachthani.